We'll guide you through how to get WooCommerce support effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the WooCommerce website on your desktop. Once you're there, hover over the Resources tab in the top navigation menu, and then click on Support. This will take you to the support page where you can find various options to get help. If you're a WooCommerce user, you need to log in to access personalized support. Click on Login in the upper right corner and enter your credentials. Once logged in, you can reach out to their support team by submitting a ticket. Look for the Submit a Request button. This is usually found on the support homepage. Fill out the form with all the relevant details about your issue. Be as descriptive as possible, as this will help the support team assist you more efficiently. You might need to include information like your WooCommerce version, any error messages you're seeing, and steps to reproduce the issue. After submitting, you'll receive a confirmation email with a ticket number. You can use this to track the progress of your query. Additionally, don't forget to utilize the WooCommerce documentation available on the same support page. It's a helpful resource for common questions and troubleshooting tips. There are also community forums where you can interact with other WooCommerce users and find solutions to similar issues. These forums can be a great place to get advice and tips from experienced users. Remember, having a clear and detailed description of your issue will expedite the support process. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.